Riding the same wave, understanding unity in communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, ride the same wave. This idiom is a vibrant part of the English language, symbolizing harmony and shared understanding. Let's explore what it means to ride the same wave, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to enrich your communication skills. The phrase, ride the same wave, is an idiom that means to have the same thoughts, feelings, or opinions as someone else. It's about being in sync or agreement with another person or group. Imagine surfing, where catching the same wave requires timing, coordination, and mutual understanding. Similarly, when people ride the same wave, they are harmoniously aligned in their thinking or approach to a situation. While the exact origins of ride the same wave are not clear, it's easy to see how it could be inspired by the sport of surfing, where riding a wave smoothly requires skill and a deep connection with the ocean's rhythm. In everyday English, this idiom is often used in both personal and professional contexts to express agreement or shared perspectives. For example, in a team meeting, I'm glad we all ride the same wave on this project's vision. Among friends, it's great how we always ride the same wave when it comes to choosing a place to eat. Understanding the context is crucial when using idioms like ride the same wave. While it's a positive phrase denoting agreement, using it inappropriately could lead to misunderstandings. It's best employed in situations where there's a clear consensus or shared viewpoint being celebrated or acknowledged. To get comfortable with ride the same wave, try incorporating it into your conversations. Practice with friends or in language learning groups. Discuss topics like movies, music, or even work strategies, and use the phrase when you find common ground. This will not only improve your fluency but also enhance your ability to express agreement in a nuanced and native-like manner. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of ride the same wave. Remember, learning idioms is a fantastic way to add color to your language skills, making your conversations more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English. Until next time, keep practicing and may you always find yourself riding the same wave with those around you.